Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 13-foot by 42-inch pool set with Canopy. The Bestway 13-foot by 42-inch power steel above-ground pool set with Canopy is a great way to provide comfort and fun without having to break ground or pour concrete. A rust-resistant steel frame supports this above-ground pool set, featuring an easy seal and lock set up for a secure installation. Included in the set area canopy, filter pump, safety ladder, ChemConnect chemical dispenser, and a weather pool cover. Maintaining a pool is no easy feat, but the backyard swimming pool with canopy, pump, and ladder makes it less of a chore. Product benefits: easy no-tool setup and takedown process. Rugged and long-lasting power steel frame with puncture-resistant liner is designed. Includes a 530-gallon filter pump. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.